Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play grow garden in real life. First, find a sunny location in your yard that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Next, prepare your garden bed by clearing out any weeds and enriching the soil with some good compost. Finally, choose simple plants like radishes, lettuce, or herbs to begin your gardening adventure easily. Once your garden bed is ready, it's time to plant. Follow the instructions on your seed packets or plant tags for proper depth and spacing. Remember to water your plants consistently, keeping the soil moist but never soggy. Also, keep an eye out for pests. You can use natural methods like neem oil or physical barriers to keep your plants safe and thriving. The most rewarding part of gardening is harvesting your own fresh produce. Pick your vegetables and herbs when they are at their peak size and color for the best taste. Harvesting regularly actually encourages your plants to produce even more, giving you a continuous supply. Then, enjoy your delicious homegrown food, perhaps sharing some with friends and family. As you gain confidence, try experimenting with different plant varieties to see what grows best in your unique garden. You might also explore companion planting, where certain plants help each other grow and deter pests naturally. Gardening is a continuous learning process, offering endless opportunities for discovery and enjoyment. Don't forget to check the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.